Good morning everyone, may buntag kayong tanan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Amadeo, Cavite, no? Dito sa Bgy Talon in Amadeo, Cavite, to feature this farm lot for sale. Alright, watch this. So thank you so much for always tuning in our channel. So my name is Ray at nandito tayo ngayon sa Bgy Talon in Amadeo, Cavite, and to feature this at 3,800 square meters land area. So this property with a total frontage of 84 meters and with a total depth meters of about 80 meters. So this estate is titled, and this one is updated Amilyar. So if you wish to check out and buy this beautiful and napakalapit sa Tagatay property with nice breeze and nice view of the mountains and with beautiful frontage of property. So ang property is flat, so madaling magtayo ng structure and madali din siyang i-develop kasi malinis na yung property. So you have the frontage of 84 meters and you have a additional lane, no, dito sa gilid. So consider that this estate is a corner lot. So this property is selling in the market again, no, before the price, no, this estate is facing the morning sun, by the way. Alright, so this property is selling in the market for 15,500,000 pesos. Mura pa itong property na ito. So malaking lote, malaking advantage at napakaganda kasi this one is a flood free. So if you are interested to check out and buy this property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. So right now meron tong existing na avocado, meron siyang existing na mga fruit bearing trees, may mangga, may suha, and marami siyang mga banana. So again, so if you are interested to buy this farm lot, you can contact us today. So once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.